Okay, children, fourth class. Fourth class. Good afternoon, children. So here already I have taken this lesson on when Thursday. I have taken which lesson, children? On Thursday I have taken the lesson number the world we live in. In that I have to give the fill in the blanks. Please note down the fill in the blanks. First one is equator. Write down, children. Second one is 90 degree. Third one is
नेहरू जी बड़े होकर अपने पिता के समान साहसी
सर्कल
और होशियार होना चाहते थे।
मेरिडियंस।
आगे देखिए, सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, शिवाजी ने तानाजी से क्या कहा? शिवाजी ने तानाजी से कहा, अगर मीराबाई सिंहगढ़ का किला माँ के सामने। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, माँ के सामने इनका माथा झुक जाता है। इसका आंसर होगा थर्ड प्रश्न का, माँ के सामने देवों का माथा झुक जाता है।
नेक्स्ट वन इज
माँ के सामने झुक जाता है, तो माँ के सामने देवों का माथा झुक जाता है। विद्यासागर जी कैसे पुरुष थे? विद्यासागर जी और थे। आप बोर्ड में लिखिए, विलोम शब्द लिखिए, अपोजिट इसको कहते हैं। स्वतंत्र, परतंत्र, आदर, अनादर, ऊंचा, नीचा, अच्छे, बुरे, दुबला, पतला, आसमान, बड़ा, दंड, सजा। मैंने एक नियम है, एक विलोम शब्द नियम है, शब्दों के विलोम शब्द स्वतंत्र का विलोम आदर का विलोम अनादर, ऊंचा का विलोम नीचा, अच्छे का विलोम बुरे, शुक्ला का विलोम मोटा, आसमान का विलोम
ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन,
बड़ा का विलोम छोटा,
नॉर्थ
जड़ का विलोम सही गलत ना।
Okay, these are first five in the blanks. Second bit is name the following. First one is earth axis. Second one is Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. Third one is pole. Fourth one is Greenwich meridian. Fifth one is north pole. Now coming to the math the following, children. Math the following, just I am showing here. 23 degree south latitude is what? 23 degree and south latitude is Tropic of Capricorn. 23 and of degree north latitude is Tropic of Cancer. Again I am repeating, 23 degree of north latitude is Tropic of Cancer. 66 and of degree north latitude is what, children? Arctic Circle. 66 and of degree north latitude is Arctic Circle. 0 degree latitude is what? 0 degree latitude equator. 66 and of south latitude is what, children? 66 and of degree south latitude is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, now coming to the fourth bit, true or false. Fourth bit is true or false. Okay, children, how you will do here? First one is true, second one false, third one true, fourth one true, fifth one true. Only I am mentioning T for true, F for false. Okay, this is our fourth bit, children. Now coming to the question answers. Your children, just I am writing the answers. You have to copy the questions from your textbook. So what is the first question, children? What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? It is a spherical shape. Shape of the earth is what, children? Spherical shape. Okay. Next, what is the second answer? What is our second question? What is equator? Equator is that. Equator is that which divides Earth into two equal parts. So what is the second one, children? Again I am repeating. What is the second one? What is equator? What is equator? Equator is that which divides Earth into two equal parts. Okay, children. Now coming to the third answer. What is the third question? What are latitudes? What is the third question, children? What are latitudes? The imaginary lines parallel to the equator are called latitudes. Latitudes. Okay. What is the fourth one? What are longitudes? What is the fourth question, children? What are longitudes? What is right, children? Longitudes are imaginary lines. Longitudes or imaginary lines. Imaginary lines around the connecting the North Pole and South Pole. Connecting the North Pole and South Pole. Okay, next. What is grid? How is it useful to us? What is the fifth question? What is a grid? How is it useful to us? So what is our fifth answer, children? You see, squares are called grid. The grid helps us to locate any place on the earth. So we are finished our first lesson, children. So these are the 5 questions. You copy from textbook and write the answers. Here enough space is not there. That is the reason only I have written the question answers. Okay, children. So now coming to the second lesson. So what is our second lesson, children? What is our second lesson? Our second lesson is continents and ocean. Already I have discussed in the previous class, isn't it? You are having idea about continents, isn't it, children? Fourth class, you are having idea about the continents and oceans in the third standard. Now here, little bit briefly, we will go through about what are continents and oceans. So what is your lesson name, children? Continents and oceans. Continents and oceans. Here, children, already you know that the surface of the earth is not similar everywhere. And it is not same. Similar and it is not similar means it is not same everywhere. So some part of earth is covered with water and some part is covered with land. Again I am telling, some part of earth is covered with water and some part of earth is covered with land. And 29% and the rest is covered by water. What is the percentage of the earth out of 100%? 29% is what is that? 71% water, 29% is land. Again I am repeating, 71% of earth is covered with water and only 29% is covered with the land. Now you see how many continents are there. The entire land area of earth is divided into how much land? The entire land area of earth is divided into 7 continents. What they are? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Children, if you see, you go through this world map and you have to able to understand those all things. Okay, so what is the Asia? Already we read, no? How many continents are there? There are 7 continents are there. Coming to the oceans, already I told beginning of the class itself, water covers how much percentage of the earth? 71% of water is covered with the earth. The water covers how much, children? 71% of the earth surface. The huge water body is divided into how many oceans, children? How many oceans are there? They are 5 oceans. What is the first one? The Pacific Ocean. Second one, the Atlantic Ocean. Third one, the Indian Ocean. Fourth one, Arctic Ocean. And the fifth one is Antarctic Ocean. Again, I am repeating, children. There are 5 oceans. Continents, how many are there? 7 continents are there. Coming to the oceans, there are only 5 oceans are there. First one is the Pacific Ocean. Second one is the Atlantic Ocean. Third one is the Indian Ocean. Fourth one is Arctic Ocean. And fifth one is the Antarctic Ocean. So here, if you go through these, children, now here, fill in the blanks. Note down the fill in the blanks, children. This time writing the answers. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is Asia. Second one is South America. Third one is Ural Mountain. Fourth one is 71%. Fifth one is Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay. Next one is what, children? Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one is C. Second one is A. Third one is C. Fourth one is B. Fifth one is A. C, E, C, D, A. Okay. Next one. Name the following. What is the next one, children? Name the following. Name the following. First one, what they are given, children? The largest continent is what? Asia. Which is the largest continent, children? Asia. Second one is the largest ocean is what? Pacific. Pacific Ocean. What is the third one? The largest freshwater lake. Which is the largest freshwater lake, children? Caspian. Caspian Sea. What is the other one? Caspian Sea. Fourth one, the longest river. Which is the longest river, children? Nile is the longest river. The smallest continent. The smallest continent is what, children? Europe. Europe. Sixth one is what? The ice covered continent. Which is the ice covered continent? Antarctic. 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 What is the seventh one, children? The frozen ocean. Which is a frozen ocean? Sea ice is a frozen ocean. Next one, the largest desert. Which is the largest desert, children? Sahara. Sahara is the largest desert. So children, for your essay, only we are going to give from these 3 lessons. These 3 lessons only. Okay. Now we have completed second lesson also. Okay, children. Now coming to the third lesson. What is our third lesson in our social studies 4th standard? Children, third lesson. What is our lesson number 3? Movements of the earth. What is our third lesson, children? Movements of the earth. Movements of the earth.
मेरे कैसे देना
movements of the earth. Okay children, before starting this lesson, movements of the earth, we have to know the two different terms. One is rotation and another one is the revolution. Already in the third and second standard you are having idea about what is a rotation and what is a revolution. Rotation is nothing but causing what children? Days and night. Causing the days and night is known as the, what is that? Causing the days and night is known as the rotation. What is a revolution? Changing the seasons is known as revolution. What is a revolution children? Changing the seasons is known as revolution. Here one thing you have to remember here. What is it which is known as a leap year? In yearly, for every 3 years we will be getting February 29 days. As usual every year February how many days? It will be 28. So once in 3 years we will be getting February 29 days. So that year is considered as what children? That year is considered as leap year. You should remember in the month of February whenever you get the 29 days, that year you should remember that year as a leap year. Isn't it children? So this is about rotation and revolution and how the seasons will cause. Here you have to know how the seasons will cause days and night. Here already you know that if you draw a globe, bottom is the south pole and top is the north pole and sun. Already you know that what is the rotation. I'll read you, listen here children. The rotation means what? The earth spins like a top on its own axis. If you say on its own axis, it spins from which directions? It spins from west to east. Which direction children? From west to east. This spinning of earth on its own axis is called what children? Rotation. So how many hours it is taking to take one complete rotation? The earth takes 24 hours to complete how many? One rotation. How much hours the earth is taking? The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The time period is called a day. Okay. Now revolution. What is a revolution? As the earth rotates on its own axis, it also moves round the sun along a fixed path. The fixed path of earth around the sun is called orbit. It is oval in shape. What is that shape? It is in oval in shape. The movement of the earth around the sun along its orbit is called what children? Revolution. Again I am repeating children. The movement of the earth around the sun along its orbit is called a revolution. If you see here the earth orbit, middle is the sun, here it is the earth orbit, here it is the earth, here it is the sun, the revolution of the earth. Seasons also I have explained. The changes of seasons is known as the revolution. Now coming to the fill in the blanks children. First one, the earth take how many hours to complete one rotation children? It is taking 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth rotates from which directions? The earth rotates from west to east. Next, what is the third one? The fixed path of earth around the sun is called, what is that children? Earth rotation. So what is the fourth one? A leap year has how many days? Just now I discussed 366 days. A leap year has how many days children? 366 days. If it is not a leap year, we will be having the 365 days in a year. Okay. The dash of the earth causes seasons. Revolution. The revolution on the earth causes seasons. Next one, what children? True or false. What is next bit? True or false. So what is the first one? The earth does not move. First one is false. Second one, the time taken by the earth for one rotation is called a day. Yes, true. Third one, a solar year has 365 days. Okay. through. Fourth one, the earth rotates from east to west. No, it is from west to east. Fifth one, the hemisphere of the earth facing the sun as summer. Yes, it is true. Okay, children. Next, coming to the math the following, children. Just to see math the following, I cannot write on the board because space is not sufficient for me. Just to open your textbook, page number 14. Math the following they are given. First one is rotation. Rotation means what? Rotation will be causing what, children? Day and night. Rotation is what? Causing the day and night. Next one, revolution. Revolution means already I told, no, changing of seasons is known as revolution. Revolution is what you will be writing. You will be writing the seasons. Third one, leap year. Already I told leap year is how many days? 366 days. Leap year is what, children? 366 days. Orbit means what, children? Path of the earth. Orbit means what? Path of the earth. Axis means what? Imaginary line. What are the axis? Imaginary line. Okay, coming to the question answer, children. Copy the question answer. One day I am writing the answers here. So what is the first question? What is rotation? What is the first one, children? What is rotation? Spinning of the earth. On its own axis. Own axis is called rotation. This is rotation. Okay, what is the second one question? How are days and night caused? What is the second question, children? How are days and nights caused? What will write, children, here? Days and nights caused by rotation. Okay, what is the third question? What is revolution? Already I have explained changing of seasons as revolution. Changing of seasons. Seasons is called revolution. What is the fourth answer? What are the effects of the revolution of the earth? What is the fourth question, children? What are the effects of revolution of the earth? It causes changes of season. What it causes? Changes of seasons. What is a leap year? The year which has 366 days is called a leap year. The year which has days is called a leap year. So children, these are 3 lessons we have completed. So here from 3 lessons only, from these 3 lessons only, I am going to give you a summative exam. I am going to conduct a summative exam. Okay, before the exam, I'll be showing the question paper pattern for you all. Okay children, please copy down these 3 lessons in your class web book. Okay children, thank you children. Option,